Hey, future financial freedom seekers. Welcome to a journey that could change your life forever. Are you fed up with the 9-to-5 grind? Do you feel like you're stuck in a never-ending cycle of work, eat, sleep, and repeat? Dreaming of waking up without an alarm clock? Or even better, traveling the world while your bank account grows? Imagine the freedom of exploring new places, experiencing different cultures, and making memories without worrying about your finances. If that sounds like you, keep watching because I'm about to reveal a game-changing opportunity to earn money online with just 3 simple steps. This isn't just a dream, it's a reality that many have already achieved. Trust me, you don't want to miss this. This could be the turning point you've been waiting for. Let me introduce you to the 3-step method. A method so simple yet so effective, it has transformed the lives of countless individuals. It's not just another online scheme, it's a proven system used by thousands of everyday people, just like you, who've transformed their lives. These are people from all walks of life, from different backgrounds, and with different stories, but they all have one thing in common: the desire for financial freedom. And guess what? No experience? No problem. You don't need to be a tech wizard or have a business degree. All you need is the willingness to learn and the determination to succeed. All you need is a device and internet access. Whether it's a smartphone, tablet, or laptop, if you can connect to the internet, you can start your journey to financial freedom. Here's how it works. It's as easy as 1, 2, 3. Step 1, sign up for free. Yes, you heard that right. No hidden fees, no upfront costs. Just a simple sign-up process to get you started. Get immediate access to our step-by-step training that will guide you through everything. Our comprehensive training modules are designed to take you from a complete beginner to a confident earner. Step 2, set up your income stream in minutes. Our platform is user-friendly and intuitive, making it easy for anyone to set up their income stream quickly. Our easy-to-use tools make this so simple that you'll wonder why you didn't start sooner. With just a few clicks, you'll be on your way to generating income. Step 3, start earning money. Once your income stream is set up, you can start earning money almost immediately. Our system is designed to work for you, even while you sleep. Our automated system handles the hard work, so you can focus on living life to the fullest. Spend more time with your loved ones, pursue your passions, and enjoy the freedom that comes with financial independence. It's literally like having money on autopilot. Watch your bank balance grow as you enjoy the things you love, but don't just take my word for it. Seeing is believing. Here are some amazing success stories from our members. These are real people who took the leap and never looked back. Cut to testimonials. These are real people who were once in your shoes. They had doubts, fears, and uncertainties, but they took action and changed their lives. Now, they're achieving their dreams and enjoying the freedom that comes with financial independence. They are traveling the world, spending quality time with their families, and living life on their own terms. Are you ready to change your life? The opportunity is right in front of you. Click the link in the description below to get started right now. Don't let this chance slip away. This is your chance to take control of your financial destiny. Make the decision today to invest in yourself and your future. Thank you for spending your time with me. I hope this video has inspired you to take action. If this video inspired you, hit that thumbs up button and let us know in the comments how you're planning to achieve your financial freedom. Subscribe for more life-changing tips and share this with anyone who needs to hear this. Spread the word and help others achieve their dreams too. Remember, financial freedom is just a click away. Take the first step today and start your journey towards a brighter future. Let's embark on this journey together. Together, we can achieve great things. See you on the other side.